Hello everybody, I am Vijay Ruban. Today I am going to explain about the project that I have done using Microsoft Visual Basic applications. So let me open the file. Uh, it is the application which was done for the Cogulam Palmera products. It will be used as a dashboard. So when you open it, it shows to enable the macro, but when you enable the macro, you have to log in. So without the correct user credentials, you cannot access the file. So my username is admin, password also admin, but now I am going to give a wrong password. So it shows invalid login credentials. Please try again. So I'm going to try it again, but that also wrong. So once again, I am going to try. It's third time it's wrong. So they said that invalid login credentials. Please try again. So I am now going to do it fourth time as a wrong password. Now can you read that you have exceeded the maximum number of logins attempts. So more than 3 times. I have tried 4 times. So I cannot open the file. It will be closed automatically. So I'm going to open it again. So when you open it again you have to give the password. Otherwise you cannot access. So here I'm just typing something just to show the clear button works. So if you type anything wrong, then you can use the clear button to clear those quickly. So I am going to type it admin, username, password also admin. So this time I'm giving the correct credentials. So it opens. So it is not the first page, it is the first page. So here it is admin dashboard for Covalent Palmera products. It's their logo. Here there are 4 options: income and expenses, invoicing and sales, purchasing order, report and graphs. So let me explain the first one. This is the income and expenses where you can register your incomes and expenses as a data. So when you go there, it will be shown, it will show the interface like this. Here you have the, if you want to go back to the home, you can click on this button, then you will be again going for home. So I'm doing it again. So I'm going to type the date. So I'm typing as August 31st. So it will be automatically taken. Here you can see that it's 2021. So you don't have to separately type it. So amount, I'm going to type it as 200 and 2400. So just I'm typing the amount only. I'm not mentioning the any currencies, but it will be automatically taken as Lankan rupees. So the account type. So I have to decide whether is it an income or expense. Based on I have to use the account type. Like it's actually an income. So I got it through customer sales. So I'm putting as this one. Then category is it is for office. From office it came. So memo, it is the note that you can give. So I am going to give as sales for customer. Okay, now done. So I am going to add transaction. So the transaction is added successfully. So when you, if you want to check it, you can see that the transaction is here. The last transaction that we have added is 2,400. That is for customer sales, taken as income. That was automatically taken. Here we have defined all those things. So here you can see that from customer sales, you have got this amount. Then as an expenses also, you have spent this much of amount. As a summary of this, you can see that. So the memo is there. So let me go to this one, invoicing sales. So here you can record your invoices. When you are doing the sales, you can record your invoices based on the data that you already have from the database. I got it from my database, which I have developed for my third year development project. So using that data, I can get my customer's name. So I'm just putting as Vijay. Date, I'm going to put it as August 31st. it was taken. So here I have to add the items. So here also I have the option to select the items. Let's say I want to get jaggery. So if I click on jaggery, the description, then quantity, default quantity is 1. You can change if you want. The unit price amount and the total amounts are shown. So if you want to increase the quantity, you can increase, the price also will be automatically increased. Let me add another product, this one. So I'm going to add 2. So these are added. Now I am going to save this invoice. The invoice is saved successfully. So if you want to check, you can check that one as well. So last invoice was used, the name was done using the name Vijay. So that is the invoice. It is there. Invoice items are here. Last 2 products were added, Jaggery and Panatu. So those are recorded here. Let me go home. Then we'll do the purchase order. The purchase order means you are buying, when they want to sell the products, they will be buying raw material. So they will buy the products and sell it to their customers. So that process is there. So for that one, they can purchase the order based on their inventories. If you want to go to the, if you check the graph here, here for inventory report, you can see that here you have already purchased these amounts, sold these amounts, then in stock. So if you see that their jaggery is no more, so 0. And then others are there, but if you want to buy something which has less count, then you can order it for purchase. So you can do a purchase order. So I am going to do a purchase for jaggery and this one. So let me show that. So here jaggery. So here it is thickness bulk amount 24 because it is already predefined for the purchasing purpose, because whenever they order, they are getting bulk amount like this. If they want, they can change the quantities, but these are the regular thing that they are doing. So if you want to change the quantity, you can change it as, let's say 40. You can change, it will be changing accordingly. So I will add another one, this one also predefined, just I am leaving as it is. So vendor, we have some vendors, so out of them we can buy. So I'm selecting the first one, then I'm giving the date. So I'm saving it. So purchase is saved. Now if you go and check the report, in this inventory, it is 0. It was already shown, it is 9. So I'm going to refresh it. So here you can see that it is 40, then it is 33. All the things are updated. So the other report is, this is the report which is the sales by customer. For the customers, how many items, not the how many items, for how much we have sold. So we can filter it using the dates. So here between August 15 and 1st of September, there were 3 main customers purchased for this amount of rupees. The first one you can see in the order. So I am going to change the date and filter it. Let me change it as first. There is no date, I think. So I am going to change it as 25. Now you can see that the data are changed. Likewise, you can see the income expenses as well. So the incomes is there, since there is no expenses, that is shown as 0. Based on the recorded data, you can find those things. So this is the thing that I have done for the project. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.